This operating software should be two. The first one is point cloud calculation software. The second is the machine control software. First, we open the point cloud calculation software. This software, mainly used for models and flat photos, point cloud computing. First we import a 2D photo. Open directly from here and import a photo. First set the size of the photo. Photo size above. You can adjust its contrast and brightness. This directly affects the calculation of its point cloud quantity and point. These four represent that it has 4 layers. Set the size. After adjusting the contrast and brightness, we can directly click on this create points. Here you need to select 2D single scan. Then choose the size of the crystal. 585 OK. After setting up, select Process. After treatment, the picture turns green. You can save the file with a name. For example, 1231. Save to desktop. Direct save. Then we can see this file on the desktop. We open the control software. Upload the file you just saved. If the machine is just turned on, first, click Reset. Reset the machine. Check if this crystal is the corresponding crystal 5 by 8 by 5 centimeters. If it is confirmed that there is no problem, it has been checked. The crystal is placed correctly. You can start engraving right away. First click Open. Find the 3D mode option. Find the corresponding mode and open it. If you want to make adjustments, we'll just click OK. Choose the corresponding crystal size. Select the name of the text. Select this. This is scaling. If it is 1, it is normal. If it is 0.99, you click one time, he will shrink by 0.01. If you want to enlarge, it is 1.01. This is the rotation angle. After you set it up, you can click Close. Click this process directly. After it turns green, you can set the name directly. Click Save. We open the control software. Direct click. Open. First check the crystal placement. If there is no problem, you can directly click to start. And the machine can do a normal test here. For example, here. The machine's workbench can be set to move forward and backward. This is the x-axis direction. This is up and down. This is the reset. All the parameters in this machine. No modification is required. This is just for testing.